Number 4, which is based on the long multiplication. Find the product 193.45 multiply by 2.5. So we will do simple multiplication without taking the decimal. 19345 multiply by 25. So now we have to do this multiplication 19,345 with 25. 5 5s are 25, 5, 2 carry, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2, 22, 2 and 2 carry, 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17, 7, 1 carry, 5 9s are 45, 45 plus 1, 46, 6 and 4 carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 4, 9. Now we will do multiplication with 2, which is on the tens place. So we will put cross sign here on ones place. Now 2 5s are 10. 0, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. Now add this 5, 2 plus 0, 2, 7 plus 9, 16, 6, 1 carry, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 3, 1 carry, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 1, 18, 8, 1 carry, 1 plus 3, 4. Now this is our multiplication. Again we will write down the question 193.45 multiplied by 2.5 is equal to. Now write down this product which we have got 483,625, which is 4,83,625. Now after writing we will see how many digits are there after the decimal in our question. 1, 2 and 3. And now start counting here from the last place. 1, 2, 3 and put decimal here. We will start from ones place. And now we will put decimal here. Now our answer has become 483.625. Fourth question B part. 26.452 multiplied by 2.3 or 2.3. So we will do multiplication of 26,452 with 23. We will not put any decimal here. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 5, 1 carry, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 3, 1 carry, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 9, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Now in second step, we will put one cross sign because we are going to start multiplication with tens place. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 2 6s are 12, 2, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, plus 1, 5. This is simple multiplication. You all know how to do this. And at last you will put decimal which is given in our question. 26.452 multiplied by 2.3 is equal to. Now write down this answer first and then you will put decimal. How many digits we want? After the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. So start counting from ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put decimal here. Our answer will become 60.8396. Question 4 C part. 895.41 multiplied by 1.01. So we will do multiplication. We will write down the number without decimal 89541. That is 89,541 multiplied by 101. First of all, we will multiply with 1. 89,541. Then multiply sign with 0 when we are multiplying. 0 1s are 0, 0 4s are 0, 0 5s are 0, 0 9s are 0 and 0 8s are 0. So you will write 0. Now ones, tens, 100. At 100 place there is 1. We will multiply 1 with this given number. But before that we will put 2 cross signs. Now 1 multiplied by 89,541 will give you 89,541. 1 1s are 1, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 9s are 9, 1 8s are 8. Now add this 1, 4, 5 plus 1, 6, 9 plus 4, 13, 3, 1 carry, 9 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1, 14, 4, 1 carry. And 1 plus 9, 10, 0, 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9. Now we will write down the question again and then we will count how many digits are there after decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Before 3 we will put decimal. Our answer will become 904.3641. Fourth question, D part. 730.12 multiply by 1.52. So we will multiply 73012 with 152. We will not put any decimal, right? So 73,012 will be multiplied by 152. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 0s are 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. Now put cross sign. 5 2s are 10, 0, 1 carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. 5 zeros are 0. 5 3s are 15, 5, 1 carry. 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 1, 36. Now third digit is there 1. So put 2 multiply signs, cross signs. 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 3s are 3, 1 7s are 7. So we will write down here. And now add 4, 2, 6 plus 2, 8, 6 plus 1, 7, 4 plus 5, 9, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 0, 1 carry, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Now we will write down the question again, having decimals. After decimal, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Start counting from ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put decimal here. Now our answer has become 1109.7824. Now in exercise 1D, there is question number 5. Using properties of multiplication, filling the blanks. We have to use the properties which we have done in our previous lecture. A part, 2.1 multiply 0.1 is equal to dash into dash. We don't want product here. We want to use a property. So, if we are writing 0.1 multiply 2.1, then equal both sides, we will get same answer, because our property says when we interchange the places, the product will not change. So you have to interchange the places in your answer to put the number in the fill up, right? Now B part, 4.64 multiply by 7.3 multiply by 5.2 is equal to 7.3. Now what is left? 5.2 multiply by 4.64, right? मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करके दिखाना, आपको प्रॉपर्टीज यूज करनी है. Okay, here again we are interchanging the places and product will remain same. Next, 1895.327 multiplied by 0. When a decimal number is multiplied by 0, we will get answer 0 only. But here two fill-ups are there. So first of all, we will interchange the places. 0 multiplied by 1895 decimal 327 is equal to 0. Right? Product will be 0 only. D part, 1011.15 multiplied by 1. When a decimal number is multiplied by 1, we will get the result itself. But here what he has done, he has written 1 into. He has interchanged the place only. So 1 into what is missing in the side, that is 1011.15. So we will write down here. Right? अगर इसके आगे एक और इक्वल साइन होता बेटा, then you have to write down the product, that is 1011.15 only. Now we will do multiplication by 10 100,000 and division by 10 100,000. See how we are going to do this orally. And yesterday also we have done with multiplication in the written way. Now oral and written both the ways I'm going to explain you. Whatever is easy you can follow. So this first question I have taken 834.7 multiply by 10. So if we are removing this decimal, denominator will contain 10 because after decimal there is one digit. So in denominator there will be 1 0 after 1. 1 is followed by 1 0. So 834.7 will become 8347 upon 10. Multiply by 10 will be written here. 10 numerator, 10 denominator, these will cancel. So our answer will become 8347. Right. This is when you are changing it into fraction. And now see again what is the next method which we can follow. 834.7 multiplied by 10, which is our question. When it is multiplied by 10, we have to shift the decimal one place forward, as we have 1 0 in our multiplication number. So when we are shifting this one place forward, it will become 8347.0, or we can say 8347. Decimal will shift one place to the right. Why one place? Because multiplication with 10 is given. Second question, 98.6 multiplied by 100. So the question is 98.26 multiplied by 100. So 98.26, we will remove decimal, then denominator will contain 100. So 9826 upon 100, 9826 upon 100 multiply by 100, 100 numerator and 100 denominator, 100 ones are 100, 100 ones are 100. So this will cancel. So we will get only 9826 upon 1, that is 9826. And if we are shifting the decimal, how we will do? 98.26 multiplied by 100. 100, there are two zeros. So decimal will shift two places forward. Decimal will shift first from here to one place, means between 2 and 6. One place more, that is after 6. So it will become 9826, or it can be written as 9826 decimal 0. Understood? If we have two zeros, if we are multiplying with 100, the decimal will shift two places forward. Before that question, we were multiplying with 10. So decimal was shifted one place forward. Multiply में decimal आगे जाएगा और divide में decimal हम पीछे shift करेंगे. Right? So now our answer has become 9826. Now see that next question. Now here 793.41 multiply by 1000. Now when we are removing the decimal, denominator contains 100 because after decimal there are two places. So it will become 79,341 upon 100 multiply by 1000. Now 3 zeros are here, 2 zeros are here. If we are cancelling it, 100 ones are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So 10 will be here. So 79,341 multiply by 10. So in product, we will write down the same number 79,341 and 1 0 will be written to the right side. Now our answer has become 7,93,410. And now how we will do orally, means direct shifting of the decimal. Look here in the question, 793.41 multiply by 1000. After decimal, we want 3 digits. Why? Because now we are multiplying with 1000, having 3 zeros. So decimal will shift 3 places forward. One place we will shift here after 4, one more place after 1. Now one more place we want, but no digit is here, so we will put 0 here. So when decimal is going to shift 3 places forward, it will become 79341, and the 0, after 0 there will be decimal. After 0, if you want, you can write down decimal and then one more 0. Otherwise, this is also the answer, correct answer. So in both the cases, you have seen that our answer has become 7,93,410. So it is not necessary that always you have to convert it in the form of fraction. You can do orally also. So what we have observed, 793.41 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 7,93,410. Now we will do division by 10, 100,000 and so on. So this first question, 71.6 divided by 10. Now first of all, in the form of fraction, how can we change 716 upon 10 divided by 10? When division is changed into replaced into multiplication, then we have to take reciprocal. Reciprocal of 10 is 1 upon 10. So now it is 716 ones are 716, 10 tens are 100. Now denominator contains two zeros. So start counting from ones place, 1 and 2. Put decimal here. So our answer will become 7.16. And now how we can do by shifting the decimal? 71.6 divided by 10. Division sign is here. जब भी किसी नंबर को हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो वो नंबर छोटा हो जाता है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में बड़ा होता है. सो मीन्स 71 है, डिवाइड बाय 10 है, तो डेसिमल शिफ्ट करेंगे हम किस तरफ? लेफ्ट में, बैकवर्ड. हाउ मच प्लेस? हाउ मेनी प्लेसेस? 10 means 1 0 is there, so 1 place backward. So decimal is there before 6. Now it will shift here and it will become 7.16. Understood? अब चेक करके देख लो आपका नंबर डिवीजन से बड़ा तो नहीं हो गया. 71.6, 7.16. 71 is greater than 7. Understood? So be careful while you are shifting the decimal. Then be careful when it is division sign, decimal will move to the left. When it is multiplication sign, decimal will move to the right. 923.07 divided by 100. This is our next question. When we are removing this decimal, it will become 92307 upon 100. So 92,307 upon 100 divide by 100. Divide will replace into multiply. 100 will become 1 upon 100. Now denominator has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. That is 10,000. 100 multiply 100, 10,000. Now count 4 digits from ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4. And before 2 you have to put decimal. It will become 9.2307. Or orally 923.07 divided by 100. Division is here. So decimal will move backward. How many places? 2 places. 1 and 2. So it will become 9.2307. Now see this next part. Next question, 44,008 divided by 1000. It was 44.008 beta. Okay, 44.008 divided by 1000. I have done that method which is simple, oral. If you want, you can change it into fraction form also. 44.008 divided by 1000. Decimal will shift 3 places back. Okay, so 1 and 2, third place, no digit is here, so we will write 0 and then decimal. So it will become decimal 044008. Okay, so 0 decimal 044008. We have to add a 0 here to the before 4, so that we can shift decimal up to 3 places, right? And if you are changing it into fraction form, denominator will contain here 3 zeros, multiplication, division will change into multiply, 3 more zeros will be there in denominator, so total 6 zeros. So we want 6 digits, then decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then decimal. Understood? Now let's do practice of these type of questions from our exercise 1E, filling the blanks. Orally we will do, because filling the blanks are there. 17.1 divided by 10. See, division sign is there, so decimal will shift one place back. So answer will become 1.71. 42.08 divided by 10. 10 is there, so decimal will shift one place back. 4.208. 2.1 divided by 100. 100, 2 zeros are there. Decimal will shift 2 places back. One place is there 2, another place no digit is there, so we will put 0. So our answer will become decimal 021. Or it is 0.021. Whole number part की जगह हमने 0 put कर दिया, right? Next is 73.3 divided by 100. 100 contains 2 zeros, so decimal will shift 2 places back. One place it will come before 3, one more place it will come before 7. So our answer will become decimal 733. Understood? 0.733 or decimal 733 meaning is same.